That's Mavis. She's having a little bedtime snack before she goes to bed. Oh, and you got a little friend there, a little Canadian friend who's looking for some leftovers. But Mavis, she's a picky little eater, so we'll see how long she takes. Right, Mavis? Is Mavis here? Is our good friend Mavis? Yeah, she's a pretty girl, isn't she? Oh, there's Junior and Pretty out there on the pond. See if we can get them. They're kind of far out there. Don't have very good zoom action here. Oh, they're coming to see us. Come on, Junior and Pretty. Come on in. There you go. Oh, there's Puffy too. Look at. There's Puffy and getting in the picture. Yeah. You all set, Mavis? Gonna go out in the water? Oh, you gotta get a little drink, huh? You gotta wash down all that corn, huh? Come on, puffers. Come on out here. Get something to eat. There's the bib. There's Pretty. There's Schwartz out there. And there's this Mavis hanging out on the shore. There's some Canadian friends, and there's a bad wing one. There's a wing. There's the people looking around. And Mavis is just drinking away. Still drinking, huh, Mavis? There's the south end. There's a couple of. There's Schwartz and some of his crowd. They're troublemakers. They're troublemakers, and things are just blooming here at the pond. It's April 18th. Things are just starting to pop around here. And the sun's setting over the hill. Yeah, there it is.